Hey everyone, in this today's video, I'm going to talk about a blood pressure monitoring device. I got this device from Amazon India. Before that, if you're new to VGS World and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and support the channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. I'm talking about this Dr. Morepen BP monitoring device. It's a digital BP monitoring device which is of very good quality, even the strap, wire and the device itself. This device is powered by 4 AAA batteries. Even if you use this device regularly, the batteries inside this device last for around 4 to 5 months. Instruction to use this BP monitoring device is clearly mentioned on the strap. If in case you like this product, I'll leave the links in the description below. You can go and check it out. I'm using this device from past 4-5 months and it's working great. I have checked with the regular manual BP monitoring device and it gives pretty accurate reading. If in case you have any elderly people in your home, this will be very helpful to measure their blood pressure. This has got a memory functionality so that it will be very helpful for us to track the previous readings. It can store up to 99 readings on board. This device also comes with few other extra features, such as it notifies you in case of any irregularities in the heart rate. Final conclusion of this product, for the price point we are paying, this is a good deal and the product quality is good. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye.